Assalamu alaikum student. So this is our lecture first part 5 and we are learning the cell components. So we have learned about the cytoplasm, nucleus and plasma membrane and cell wall. Now in today's lecture we will learn about the next component of a cell, that is Golgi complex, and also we will see about the lysosome. Okay, so first we will see the Golgi complex. Golgi complex, actually the name of this component is given after a scientist Camillo Golgi. Okay, he described the Golgi components or the Golgi complex for the first time, and he developed the staining technique called the black reaction first time. With the help of it, he studied nervous system and he won the Nobel Prize in 1906 along with Santiago Cajal, another scientist with him, for the study of structure of nervous system. So, what is a Golgi complex actually? Okay, student, I am going to ask some questions. So what are material used to pack your favorite biscuit and chocolates? You will say that you get your favorite biscuit and chocolate in a polythene wrapping or a beautiful wrappings. Okay, so what is the function of packing department of any factory? What they do that in factory, if they are making biscuits or chocolate, what the department of packing department do in for that? They pack, we know that they pack the materials to protect their material getting harm or getting destroyed or getting spoiled. So actually Golgi complex do that type of function in the cell. The Golgi complex sort and pack material synthesized in the cell. Now what type of material found or synthesized in a cell? So there are so many materials or chemical reaction was going on, and in because of that chemical reaction or metabolic reaction, so many material get produced like enzyme, protein, fat, pigments, mucus, so on. And the function of Golgi complex is to sort and pack them. Okay, so Golgi complex is a structure. We will see the structure is a structure of 5 to 8 hollow and flat sac placed parallel to each other. See in the diagram, there are some flat, hollow, and they are parallel to each other. A sac-like structure, they are called as a cisternae. See in the diagram, see this. These are some hollow structure, and so it is flat or they are parallel to each other. Actually, it is called a cisternae of a Golgi complex. And these cisternae are filled with different enzyme. These cisternae have different enzyme inside it. The protein coming from the ER, we know that the ER is responsible to produce the protein, is synthesize the protein. So the protein coming from the ER are enclosed in vesicle which can come towards Golgi complex via cytoplasm. When ER going to synthesize or the protein that comes in the Golgi complex via cytoplasm, they fuse with the formation phase of Golgi membranes and empty their कंटेंट इन द सिस्टर्नी. ओके, वो जब आते हैं तो इसमें जमा होंगे और फिर वहाँ से जो मेम्ब्रेन के थ्रू अंदर जाएंगे गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स के और सिस्टर्नी में इनक्लोज्ड हो जाएंगे. एज दे पास थ्रू सिस्टर्नी दे आर केमिकली मॉडिफाइड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एंजाइम, because we know there's some enzyme is present in a cisternae. So when the protein is coming from the ER, when they are after coming sometimes after some time they get modified with the help of some enzyme. Okay, they are again packed in vesicles See in a diagram, some vesicles are present, new vesicles and the secretory vesicles and the fusing vesicle. So the vesicle exit from the maturation phase, यानी maturation phase से exit होते हैं. The cistern works like packing department. When the vesicles get exist, okay, जब वो exist हो जाते हैं तो cistern functions like a department of packing. दो cistern जो है it will function like a department of a packings. So the substances distribute, okay, so through that cistern that get packed, the material packed in a cistern after the vesicles. So this is all about the structure of a Golgi complex. Now we will see the function of a Golgi complex. What actually the Golgi complex do in a cell. So Golgi complex is a secretory organ of a cell because it secretes enzymes. Okay, so many enzymes can be secreted by the Golgi complex. So we can say it is a secretory organ of a cell. It modifies, sort and pack materials and synthesize, which is synthesized in the cell. And these materials are enzymes, mucus, protein, pigment, etc. and dispatches them to various target like plasma membrane and lysosome. That means just we have learned that like a packing of different types of materials get packed in Golgi complex. So this is one of the important function of a Golgi complex. Different types of material like enzyme, mucus, pigment produce inside the cell and it get packed through the Golgi complex, and after the packing it get transported to the different targets like cytoplasm, like plasma and a lysosome. Okay, so it produces vacuole and secretory vesicles, and Golgi complex also produce vacuoles and secretory vesicles. It helps in the formation of cell wall and plasma membrane and lysosome also. So this is the function of the, these are the function of the Golgi complex. Now we will see the next component, that is lysosome. Okay, so what is lysosome and what it do, what it function in a cell? So there is one question in my mind. So what happen to the agricultural waste after a few days when it is dumped in a compost pit? अगर से आपने कभी देखे होंगे तो जो खेत का जो वेस्ट निकलता है, एग्रीकल्चरल जो भी वेस्ट है, जब उसको किसी गड्ढे में या किसी भी जगह कंपोस्ट किया जाता है, किसी कंपोस्ट पिट में डंप किया जाता है, तो व्हाट विल एक्चुअली हैपन विद दिस? सो यू कैन से इट गेट्स डिकम्पोज इन अ सॉइल, है ना, वो डिसअपियर हो जाता है आफ्टर सम डेज. जब हम किसी भी वेस्ट मटेरियल को कहीं डालते हैं मिट्टी वगैरह में, तो इट गेट डिसकम्पोज्ड, यानी कि वो वहाँ से वैनिश्ड हो जाता है, गायब हो जाता है. बिकॉज एंड वाई वी थ्रो दैट? बिकॉज इट इज़ अननेसेसरी पार्ट ऑफ द एग्रीकल्चरल मटेरियल. सो अननेसेसरी पार्ट रहते हैं जिसको हम क्या करते हैं, किसी भी डंप में डाल देते हैं और वो कुछ वक्त के बाद वो डिकम्पोज हो जाता है. सो एक्चुअली लाइसोसोम ऑल्सो फंक्शंस लाइक सेम. वॉट इट डू? So due to various metabolic activities in the cell, organism waste is generated. We know that there are so many reactions going inside the body and this generated by the cell. So because of this reaction we get so many waste material in our body and it get accommodated in the body sometime. So actually when the waste material is generated in the cell, ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट रहता है मोस्टली जो जनरेट होता है. सो इट गेट डाइजेस्टेड बाय द लाइसोसोम. मीन्स द लाइसोसोम help in the digestion of the waste material which is produced inside the body. So lysosomes is a, see the structure, it is a single membranous structure filled with digestive enzyme. Enzymes are present and having a single cell only, single membrane is there, or so many digestive enzyme or enzyme complex are present. So this is a lysosome, the next organelle. And what it function? It digests the waste organ or waste material. So see the function. It helps in immune system. It destroy the viruses and bacteria that attack the cell. We already know the cell has so many organelles which have different kind of function, and the important function is to improve our immune system. So the lysosome destroy the viruses and bacteria that attack the cell. And demolition squad, it is also called as a demolition squad, and it is also called as a suicide bag. Lysosome is also called as a suicide bag. What, why it is called suicide bag? Because after absorbing or digesting lots of waste of the body of the cell, the lysosome get destroy itself. अपने आप को ही डिस्ट्रॉय कर लेता है, बिकॉज सारी वेस्ट को डाइजेस्ट करने के बाद, एंड दैट न्यू lysosome get produced. Okay. And demolition squad, it destroy worn out cellular organelles and organic debris. यानी कि जो भी ऑटोलिसिस होते हैं, जितने भी बॉडी के सेल्फ प्रोड्यूसिंग प्रोसेस होते हैं, ऑटो मीन्स सेल्फ, लिसिस होता है बनना, टूटना. सो उसको सब डाइजेस्ट वगैरह करने के बाद वो सब डिस्ट्रॉय करता है लाइसोसोम. And it is also a suicide bag. When a cell become old or is damaged, lysosome burst and enzyme digest their own cell. Means after getting old or after digesting lots of waste, the lysosome itself get burst एंड इट्स ओनली एंजाइम डाइजेस्ट देयर ओन, यानी उसके जो एंजाइम रहते हैं वो उसको डाइजेस्ट कर लेते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट फंक्शन इज ड्यूरिंग स्टारवेशन लाइसोसोम डाइजेस्ट स्टार्च प्रोटीन एंड फैट. स्टारवेशन मीन्स व्हेन देयर इज़ लाइक फास्ट, जैसे कि कुछ वक्त के लिए अगर से फूड प्रोवाइड नहीं है, इफ़ इट द सेल इज़ हंग्री फॉर द प्रोटीन एंड ऑल, सो दैट टाइम लाइसोसोम क्या करता है, डाइजेस्ट करता है प्रोटीन को, फैट को, एंड स्टोर करके रखता है. सो दिस इज today's topic, the Golgi complex, and we have learned about the structure, the function, and also we have seen the next component, that is a lysosome. So good luck. Allah Hafiz.